Hey everyone, Dan Oddy here. Welcome to another episode of Detroit Speed's Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk about our 2-point and 3-point strut tower brace for the 1982 to 92 Camaro. As I mentioned, these strut tower braces will fit all 3rd gen Camaro applications. They are 100% direct bolt-in, require no cutting, welding, or fabrication, and will fit engines including tune port injected, throttle body injected, and LS SWAT vehicles. Now the strut tower braces are laser cut from high quality steel and then bent on a press brake. Then we get them here, we put them in our fixture so they can be TIG welded for strength. Then we take them off the powder coat, bring them back, get that cool mullet man tag on there, and then they're off the packaging. Now we do offer these in a 2-point version and a 3-point version. As you can see, we have the 2-point version here for you on the table. Now let's walk over to the DSEZ and I'll show you the 3-point version. So it bolts on and connects the front strut tower and it comes back to the firewall flange. So with the 3rd gen platform, it is unibody construction, so you can see a lot of vehicle flex. So once you tie in the strut tower brace, you're going to improve cornering and overall vehicle stiffness and reduce body roll. Just to show you how easy it is to install, you're going to take the part out of the box, mock it up on the strut towers. Get it nice and centered, mark your hole locations, you're going to drill through the strut tower. Then we got some nice powder coated doubler plates to go on the bottom side to sandwich that strut tower. Grade 8 fasteners come with the kit, and as you can see we have a nice spot here in the strut tower right in front of our Detroit Speed caster camber kit. The Detroit Speed 2-point or 3-point strut tower brace kit is a nice affordable kit on the market that'll improve your handling and performance of your vehicle. Now it just requires simple hand tools, a drill, and a nice afternoon working on your 3rd gen. Thanks for watching another episode of Detroit Speed's Tech Talk. If you have any questions about the parts we offer for your 3rd gen, please call us at 704-662-3272 or visit us at DetroitSpeed.com or any of our social media outlets.